Hi, I'm Steve Romanoff. I'm a real estate attorney. I look for a lot of contractors to do the backyard, and Alon knocked on my door. We talked. This was all dirt. Everything was just dirt. Then that was a hillside. And he turned it into this in 4 days. Did everything I asked for. We designed it. We did drawings. Came out exactly as I had hoped it would. It's beautiful. When it was done, we had a few minor technical changes, and it was because of my design ideas that I wanted changes, and he and his crew came back here and fixed everything up perfectly. Took them 4 days to complete the entire backyard, which is unheard of in the industry. So I would recommend them to anybody.
How Mac like the turf?
Mac loves it. They love the turf. I just hose it down once a week, and it's completely fine. It's not too hot.
It's good for them to run. And
yeah, they love it. Yeah, they lay on it because it's kind of warm. So, and they don't get dirty. They're not like laying on grass or, turf that dies. It's the artificial turf is, they love it.
Just there to stay there, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you very much, Mr. Steve.
All right.
It was our pleasure to work with you and to make it alive.
My pleasure.
And to have your dream yacht coming alive forever.